Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the 1TB Seagate Expansion Card for the new gen Xbox consoles.
Let's take a look at what's in the box. First we have the card itself, and behind it we have a quick start guide and warranty information. The expansion card is really small. It has the Xbox logo and a protective case for storing it away safely. This 1TB external storage card has been designed in partnership with Xbox to seamlessly match the full power of the new gen consoles, the Xbox Series X and Series S. It's built to integrate into the Xbox Velocity architecture and matches the speed to give the same super fast loading time.
So there's no difference in performance whether you're using the internal SSD or the expansion card.
The Seagate Expansion Card makes extending storage space really simple, as it just plugs into the back of the Xbox and it's ready to go. I love its small and simple design, as it keeps it tucked away out of sight so it's not an eyesore. Its size also makes it really portable, so you can easily take it to a friend's house to load your library there.
How does this compare to other storage devices? Well, you can connect other USB SSDs and hard drives to your new gen consoles and it will let you play games. But for any games that have been optimised for the Xbox Series X or S, they'll only run off the internal SSD or this expansion card.
The 1TB storage also keeps effort minimal, as it's a really decent amount of additional storage capacity, making it unlikely that you're going to need to be swapping games from a range of storage devices. Talking of speed, it has quick resume, which allows you to effortlessly switch from titles, and it resumes instantly from where you last left off.
Overall, this expansion card allows you to easily add 1TB of storage to your console without sacrificing on performance. What are your thoughts on the product? Make sure to let us know below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.